Criteria in selecting the mother palm. High-yielding dwarf or tall coconut palm. Note: using a hybrid mother palm is not recommended because of the risk of getting undesirable production traits, that is, poor fruiting ability, stunted growth, and other physiological abnormalities. Use only F1 hybrid seed nuts obtained from certified breeders. About 10 years of age and consistently produce 8 nuts per bunch or more than 80 nuts per palm per year. Palm is healthy and free from pests and diseases. Palm should have a minimum of 30 fronds. The number of leaves or fronds on a palm is a good indicator of the number of nuts the tree can produce. Chosen from a well-maintained, well-fertilized farm with proper waste disposal system. Produce an average copra equivalent of 25.6 kg per tree per year. Avoid palms of very old age, that is, 60 years old and above. Avoid mother palms with long, thin, inflorescent stalks that hang down loosely. Avoid palms that bear small nuts. Medium-sized nuts are recommended. Avoid palms that produce barren nuts or ones that shed nuts in large numbers. Quality mother palms equals quality seeds.